Hello everyone, welcome to you my YouTube channel VB Automation Tutorial Point. If you are new on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to get the updated videos. So guys, in this video we will learn that how to create a countdown timer in a Excel. So guys, timer is the most important thing in Excel, just by which we can handle multiple tasks in our daily work life, right? Suppose if you want to create an assessment test for a new user or for an existing user for a specified time, so in that scenario we will use a timer. So without wasting a time, I'm going to write a code for this, right? So guys, here I have written a subroutine which name is start_t. In this I'm going to write a code. So here application dot on time function, I'll use the on time function that has four parameters. First is earliest time, second one is procedure, third one is latest time, and fourth one is schedule. So guys, on time function in Excel basically we use to schedule a procedures, just to be run at a specified time in a future. So for this I'm going for the first parameters, I'm just using a current system time. So for this I have one method that is now, and in the now I'm adding a 1 second to the current time. So for this I have another method that is time value, which converts string to a time. So I'm adding a 1 second to the current time, current system time, right? So I have another parameter that is procedure, so as a string, so I'm declaring a procedure which name is running, right? So in the procedure what I want is, now I'm going to write a running procedure which already mentioned above, right here. So in this procedure I'll write a code for the task which I want to perform. So guys, I want to perform a task that is countdown timer in a sheet 1, right? Suppose I have given a 1 minute, 10 minutes to a user. So what I want is, I want that time will be decreasing by 1 second to till 0, right? So how would I do that? So I'll just, for this I'm declaring it one variable SST type of worksheet. Right now I'm setting this variable. So guys, for this I'm taking a sheet 1 from the current workbook. So for this I have one method that is this workbook, and I have another function that is sheets. So I'm just taking sheet 1, so I'm then sending here sheet 1, right? So in the sheet 1, in the cell range A2, what I want that the time will be decreased by 1 second. So how would I do that? I'll just simple, in the range A2 I'm just, what I'll do is SST dot range dot value, minus time value. I'm decreasing a 1 second from the existing time 0001, right? So guys, I want to perform a one task here. If once the time has been finished, so what I'll do is, my workbook will close automatically with a one message box. So for this I'm applying a condition here. If SST dot range A2 equal to time value, right, 000000, then what I'll do is, my current workbook will close automatically with saving changes, right? And also show a one message box to a user, that is time up. right? And here that is exit sub, and if, right here I'm going to call a procedure start t on every seconds until the time goes to a 0, right? So guys, once the time has started, so now I'm going to write another code to stop the timer in between where the user wants, right? So for this I'm going to write a subroutine that is stop t, right? So for this, simple application dot on time now plus I'm adding a current time, and I'm adding 1 second to the current time, right? So here that is the procedure name that is already mentioned in above code, and here we have a third parameter that is latest time. I'm just keep that, and here that is good schedule. I'm just simply write false here to stop the timer, right? So that's it guys, that's the code for start timer and a stop timer. I'm just saving it. Now I'm goes to the my workbook, right? Here I just simply mention a 1 minute, so I'll do that simply 0 0 1 0 0, right? So I'm simply given a 1 minute to the user to do a specific task. So simply I just here I have used the 2 buttons from insert, and I'm just using a form control here, that is this one, simple, and that is another one is stop. And here I have assigned the macro that is, you can see, start timer, and right, and here you can see that stop timer here, right? And here you simply assign the start timer to the, so here once I click on this button, the time goes run decreasing, right? Now you can see that the time decreasing by 1 second, right? Once it goes to a 0 second, right, it's automatically show a one pop-up message to you that time up, and after that this workbook will close automatically, right? Sometimes guys you need that I have some break, so you just need to click on this button to stop this timer for a while, right? So guys, that's it for today's video. If you have any concern, any queries, just in for this part or in Excel or in VB or in any, so you can write your comments in the comment box, so I'll get back to you on that, right? So thank you guys, thanks for the watching.